Okay, so I wasn't able to complete exercise 5.3 in the time allotted on the last video. So this video will just have the solution of that problem on it. So you were asked to look at exercise 5.3 and complete only the portion that regarded the specific identification method. So that is number 1 on your worksheet. And let's go ahead and take a look at it. I've recreated the information up here for you with the purchases and the sales. On January 1st, we had beginning inventory of 140 units. So, excuse me. So we're going to go ahead and on January 1st, we'll put that in our inventory balance because that's our inventory at the start of the year. So 140 times 6 gives us our extended balance. On January 10th, we sold 100 units. Well, we don't even really need to look for more information on that to find out the specific units that were sold because we know we only have the one layer of goods. So I know that those 100 units came out of this $6 group. So I'll sell 100 of those. Cost is $6. Do my extension. So what do I have left? I have the beginning amount, 140, minus what we sold, 100. I have 40 units remaining and a cost of $6. And my extended value will be $240. On January 20th, we purchased 60 units at $5. So my extended value, 60 times 5 is 300. Now, what I have in my inventory balance is the 40 that I had previously. Nothing happened to those. And the new purchase of 60. On January 25th, we have a sale. We sold 80 units. Now we need to look for more information. We're not sure if those came out of the $6 batch, out of the $5 batch, or some from each. So let's go back to the problem. We're on exercise 5-3. And at the bottom of the required, we'll see for specific identification, ending inventory consists of 200 units, where 180 are from the January 30th purchase. That's this purchase that we haven't done anything with. 5 are from the January 20th purchase. So we know that we have 5 of these remaining, and 15 are from the beginning inventory. Okay, so I have 40. If I'm only going to have 15 of those, I'm just going to jump down to my ending inventory, right? If I'm only going to have 15 of those at the end, then how many did I sell? Oops. Well, if I had 40, I have 15 at the end. I know that I sold 40 minus 15, or 25, at $6. In the next group, it tells me that I have 5 remaining from the January 20th purchase. So that's this group. I only have 5 of those remaining at $5. And so I've sold 60 minus the 5 remaining. I've sold 55 at $5. And that should equal my 80 units sold. I don't have to worry about that January 30th level yet because I'm selling before that time period, so I don't have those yet, right? So my ending inventory here is that 15 and 5. I guess I should have done that here instead of down there. That's okay, because it still carries down there as well. All right, and then on January 30th, I purchase 180 units at 450. Those become part of my ending inventory. So now if we look back, it told us, yes, in specific ID, we had 200 units of ending inventory, right? We do have 200 units. 180 of those are from the January 30th purchase, the 450. 5 are from the January 20th purchase, the $5, and 15 are from the beginning inventory, that $6 level. So our ending inventory is 200 units for a value of $925. Our cost of goods sold, we sold 180 units for a cost of $1,025. And that is the end of lesson 2.